So, all of you are really great at playing the game Beat Beat Times Up. So, I'd like to play again, but this time, since this week our story is about shapes, I would like to play a version where we find shapes in our house, which could be a little bit tricky, but I bet you can do it. All right, so in 5 seconds, can you find a square in your house? So something that is square. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. Time's up. All right. In 4 seconds, can you find something that is circular? So it looks like a circle. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. Time's up. Remember, when I say beep, beep, time's up, then you have to run and sit in the spot where you started, okay? Are you ready? Are you seated? Are you seated and ready to go? All right, in 3 seconds, can you find something that is in the shape of a triangle? 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. Time's up. Run back to where you started. Okay, I'm sorry about my hiccups. They're not going away. All right, in 2 seconds, can you find something that is your favorite shape? I don't know what your favorite shape is, but are you ready? 2, 1. Beep, beep. Time's up. Thanks for playing.